Rio Grande Valley teenagers explored future roles in medicine at a 2-day camp hosted by the UTRGV College of Health Professions on Thursday and Friday, May 22nd and 23rd. The Discover Your Future in Healthcare event intended to spark students' curiosity about careers in the healthcare field, with 12 hands-on sessions led by UTRGV faculty and graduate student assistants.
You are the solution right here. So I encourage you, if you have that caring heart, consider a career in healthcare.
The experiences highlighted the roles they could fill with degrees from the departments in the college, such as physical or occupational therapist, kinesiologist, and clinical laboratory scientist, among others.
Every role matters, and each one makes a tremendous contribution to the health of their patients.
I've always had a medical interest since I was in elementary school. It opens up my eyes to different careers in the medical field, so I'm just really open to everything.
The students concluded the event by donning a white coat, a symbolic beginning to their future path. Read more at UTRGV.edu/newsroom.